Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha, whatever, and I'm back again with another video. And I'm back here with Fifi.
Hey.
She was in the other video, but she's back again.
On your foot in my face.
As you can tell by the title, ew, that's not how we talk. As you can tell by the title,
Actually, I have family in
England. Me too.
So
I really do though. I'm going to England in December of
Yeah.
2019.
you won't take me with you.
No. Whatever.
You
Anyway.
ain't take me with you.
Anyway, we're gonna stop chatting, get into the video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be talking about growing up Caribbean. Because if you never did know, she's Jamaican.
Yes, I am.
I'm Antiguan,
Yes.
and we're Caribbean,
From the
West
islands.
Indies, all of that stuff.
It's not. Let me tell you something. If you are Jamaican,
Yes.
you are West Indian.
Yes.
If you are Antiguan, you are West Indian.
Remember,
If you're from the,
Shanti?
that's what I'm going
Yes,
to
yes.
say.
Go ahead, say
No,
it.
listen.
Mhm.
It's not. I'm not Jamaican. I'm
West
West Indian. No.
Jamaica is
It's
West Indian. You stupid fool! What's wrong with your brain?
Like, what do you think that West Indian is an island? No.
Yeah,
It's
the place, everything.
Are you okay?
Cause they stress me out. But anyway, we don't even know how many tips we got, but we're just gonna talk about it. We have another list. We
Right.
just made the list just now.
One.
Number one. Number one.
No privacy.
You have no, especially if you have siblings.
Especially if you're a girl. Right?
Especially if you're a girl.
Especially
Because
if you're
your
a girl.
brother, her brother gets away with like murder. Swear to God. He gets away with murder. And she can't do nothing.
I have a strict family.
Yeah, me too. My parents are pretty strict.
I mean, it's strict when they come to the guys too, but it's
Yeah.
just strict. So like it's like the strictness is like from 1 to 10. It's on 10.
Yeah.
It's on 10.
Mine's like 9.5 now. Before it was like 11.
shit
But
was
now it's like 9.5. Right. It was like
That was 12.
13. But now they're getting a little bit
Like the point is, no privacy.
no privacy.
Even if you have your own room, no privacy.
And your door can't
Can
be
be
closed. Has to be open.
Bro,
You
if
can't
you,
lock-
even if it's your room, it is not your room.
You can't dare lock that door.
Lock
Are
it.
you crazy?
Lock it. They gonna lock you.
They
No
funny.
privacy.
No type of privacy.
at all.
At all.
Bro, you can have your friends over, and you gonna go chill in your room.
Mm-hmm.
What room?
Can't close the door.
What room?
What room? Your mom gonna come in there, stand by the door
No,
with
no.
her hand on her hip. Just so. Oh, I talk about.
I'm not talking about man.
Why are you? Like, what?
I do think. You think when you move out, you have privacy.
Oh no, sweetheart. Your house, their
You
house.
funny. You funny.
They're basically moving in. They moving in.
Basically. Okay, 2.
Tip number 2.
The hunt down.
The hunt.
Now, listen, it's not really called the hunt down, but we gonna call it the hunt down.
Yeah, we gonna call it the hunt.
Because
down.
it is the hunt down. Now you see, if you go to a party or you go into the movies or you just go to school,
The corner store. For like 2 seconds.
where they?
Waiting. You didn't see me call your phone.
You're not
Do you know how to
answer.
answer your phone? You think you're growing?
You answer.
Hello?
Hello? I wait your mama blood clot you gone.
Mommy, me in the store.
What store?
That's the one down the street.
The one me send you how I got. You look at your phone, it's only 2 seconds. What? Not, when
Next.
they send you. When they
Mhm.
send you and you ain't back yet.
My
Hey,
mom be like, okay, let's say I'm going to the movie with my friends, right? Go to the movie with my friends. She said, okay, the movie started at 4, movie done at 5, reach home by 5:30. I'm like,
Heh.
what movie? First of all,
Which one?
what movie gonna start at 4 and at 5? Mind you, the movie theater that we go to is like an hour away, and we take public transportation. Anything can happen. How am I
don't
gonna
be
be on
on time.
5:30?
You don't be on
How am I gonna get
time.
home at 5:30?
There
Every
be
movie is like
traffic.
2 hours, 3 hours. All the movies we go watch, 'cause we go watch Marvel movies, stuff like that.
Listen,
How many home at 5:30? You ask, I'm at the
you at
same
school.
place.
I'm gonna believe you.
Let me talk to Nekeisha. I'm like, hello. Yes, Fifi's with me. She's with me.
What up?
Okay.
But the I'm gonna believe saying Nekeisha that. Video call me.
Word.
What? Wait. Let me speak to that teacher.
I'm like, okay.
Like, Mr. Jones.
Right. Can you talk to my mom? Like, she don't believe me. So, yeah.
The point is, it's a hunt down. Like, even if they know where you at,
They don't know where you at.
you think you're grown.
Yup. Everything
You think you're
do.
grown.
Let's say one day, right? You get up early in the morning, feeling nice and refreshed from your good sleep, right?
Good.
You go in the kitchen, start beat the egg,
I cooking up.
fry the pancake. Your mommy wake up, coming in the kitchen.
Chilling.
You think you're growing. I'm like, hey, I'm just trying to eat. Next scenario, right? It's like the afternoon, like around 5 o'clock, right? You go in the bathroom, wash your kin, come out, it smells nice. Think you're growing? I'm like,
Hey. Yeah, go to the store. You know, you want to go outside and you want to
look nice.
nice. You just want to calm yourself, you know. You don't want to just put on a shirt or look cute.
Yeah.
Or you want to go outside because it's hot, you know.
Yeah, hat. You put
And so you put on a shorts, you know.
short sleeve shirt.
You know. You come to the door. Mommy, come in.
You think you're growing? Right.
With the look to it, you know.
You think you're growing? Like they give you the up and down and after you just feel like
listen, it's not you think you're growing until your head go like this.
that think you're growing. Just like that.
You buy yourself some shoes with the money you just earned from your
Right.
You think you're
from
growing?
your job. Yo.
Winner. When you're younger, you get the beating them. And I chat back here. You're not even talking back. You're crying and you're yelling, you're screaming, and you're just like,
Think you're growing?
you think you're growing?
You just scream on. No.
Give you something for cry for, you know?
Oh, that's their favorite. You're crying? Let me give you something for cry for. I'm like,
yeah, make up your face. Give you something for make up your face. For cry for. For call your father.
everything, bro.